Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Hello, Mr. Rodi. My name is Muhammad Rafiq Rahman. I with student MS student. What's your name, sir?
Hello, Mr. Razi. Nice to meet you again. My name is Ahmad and I'm from MS Nanti. So, what is our topic today, brother?
Our topic today is hometown.
Okay, hometown. Before we go with hometown, talk about hometown. Where is your boarding house?
My boarding house in Bekasi. Bekasi.
Your boarding house
Oh,
here.
boarding house here. I'm boarding house here. In Hidayah Kos.
Oh, I see. So that's good. Thank you so much for the information. Explain your hometown. Where are you from?
My hometown is in Bekasi. Do you know Bekasi?
Yes.
Yes, Bekasi. I think Bekasi, the city is more arrived than other city.
What the reason why?
Why? Because in Bekasi, if you go to Bekasi, you will need a mountain of trust. Do you know mountain of trust? Trust.
Oh, I see. There's a lot of rubbish.
Yeah.
Oh, what the reason? Why there are so many rubbish over there?
I don't know. I don't know to full, but the trust is very
Hi.
very high.
What about the smell? Stinky.
Yes.
Oh, I see. Same like Makassar. We have like a place which the rubbish over there and so stinky.
But if you the people of Bekasi, you smell.
Smell.
You smell this place. You
Like throw up. Want to throw up?
no. You can get money
From government.
from government.
What the reason why we don't get money?
Because the people Bekasi, if you smell, your home is smell, you get smell for the place there, you get money.
But money just useless if we always smell about the rubbish. We don't need money, but we need how to the pollution over in our agency, especially Bekasi. Actually, I live in Makassar too, and we have like the big rubbish in Makassar, and the stinky. Even what is it? The more stinky is when rain. When rain is really stinky. So, do you have any traditional food in Bekasi? Actually, what the more majority ethnic in Bekasi? Sundanese or Jawa?
If my hometown is Betawi.
Oh, Betawi.
Because close my Bekasi close with Jakarta.
So, how about the traditional food over there?
Traditional food, yeah, yes, maybe. I don't know, but the city of Bekasi is modern.
Oh, that's very small.
But if maybe Krakow.
Okay.
Yeah, Krakow.
Oh, could you tell us about the best Krakow? How the best?
If I mean the delicious, so delicious that if if you, I don't know.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, because
Depends.
yeah.
Depends person. So how much is it? How much?
And 100,000.
Oh, just 100,000.
10,000.
10,000 for one person.
Yeah, so 1%.
Oh, it's really good.
Yes, I think enough.
Oh,
About minute. I am Muhammad Rafiq Rahman.
I am Ahmad.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.
Nice.